Welcome to Cumulus Electrical, your one-stop electrical hub. As you can see for this video, na single phase sewing machine electric motor. Wetin be the problem of this electric motor? Na Madam Enzi Fashion Academy na get this sewing electric motor. The problem na bearing. The bearing no good for the rotor and the capacitor no good. As you can see, na the bearing wey dey fix. If you check well, you go see say when I put the bearing, it can be say the new one when I buy too oversized to the spindle. Na im make I can dey create a punch on the spindle so that it go fit hold tight for the bearing. So as you dey see so, na the bearing wey I dey make a punch for the spindle so that it go fit hold. I go do am finish. When I complete am, I can add the bearing. I can couple am back. At the end of the day, you go see say the motor go work seamlessly. For all electrical and industrial engineering, just reach out to me, Cumulus Electrical. We no dey far from you. Just training us for 070 64 59 18 18. Or you fit possibly reach us for our email address ndubisijeremiah@gmail.com. Or you fit reach us for WhatsApp 080 91 41 80 17. Or you fit tanana us for Facebook Ndubisi Jeremiah. So we are your one-stop electrical and industrial engineering hub. Please like and follow us for all other engineering work. Thank you.